everyone. So here is Zoom Marketplace and here is Zoom app. So yeah, to add a Google Calendar app in Zoom chat. So this is not like Zoom Zap app, which will be coming soon, but just the app in the Zoom chat. Just tap plus, and here you have all the apps which you can use with Zoom chat. Super cool. Then just tap on Google Calendar. Get calendar notifications in your chat so you never miss a meeting again. So you will just get these notifications in your Zoom chat. Tap install, and then you need to be signed in into Zoom. And there you have it. And then you just need to sign in with Google Calendar. You need to select the Google address and allow these permissions. And that's about that. And then you can just save this configuration. So there you have it. Think you can update that. And then basically you just go through the settings, you just add a name. For a configuration, you select a channel in your Zoom chat, you add a description, you select which of the calendars, you can select which reminders, you can get notified, and then just save configuration, I guess. And that's it, that's your subscription. So you just added Google Calendar subscription to your Zoom chat. And then you will get notifications to this channel in your Zoom chat, and that's about it. So hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.